Yo, what's up? I'm gonna teach you how to DJ. I'm gonna teach you how to DJ dubstep. Alright? Alright. We're gonna use this playlist from my shit that I already practiced before. So it's like this track that's like it's my track, but it's also a Barely Alive track first. Here we go. Okay, so we got the Barely Alive track. Gonna load that up. Alright, do not own the rights to this first track. The second track is my track that I made, TrvAix OLeary. Alright, here we go. Alright, so what you're gonna notice is the build-up in the dubstep track has to be 32 beats. So you count to 8 4 times. So I put all my cue points on a record box. I put it 32 beats before the drop, right? You see on the screen I'll have the cue loop / call button to get to my cue point that I already made in advance. It's 32 beats before the drop. It's the build-up. The whole build-up has to be 32 beats or I don't buy your track, alright? So, this is Weeble Wobble by Barely Alive. I'll turn on the master tempo. Alright, so when the drop hits, we're gonna count to 8 twice and then push play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's where you push play. Oh, alright. 4, 5, 6, 7. It's the build up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The build up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Here's the drop. Then we count to 8 twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here comes the next track. That's where we push play every time.
Bumping in the street. Beats bumping, beats bumping, beats bumping in the street.
Alright, so what happened?
Beats bumping in the street.
You count.
Beats bumping in the street.
You'll hear it in my build up. We'll do one more track. Alright? So my cue spot is 32 beats, right? So when the drop hits, I count to 8 twice and then push play. Then I mix it in immediately. And 32 beats later, we're going to the next drop. So where I got this cue, you push the cue / loop call button, either forward or backwards to get to your Okay, so here we go. Here we go. We're gonna count to 8 twice after this drop hits and push play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hit play. All right, yeah. So that's how I mix. That's how I mix. If you got any questions, leave comments. I'll try to answer the questions. You can also just hit me up on the phone or whatever, and I'll answer the questions. That's how I mix dubstep. Have fun with it. Peace.